Here we go for a start. See what happens. Misfire on this side over here, so nothing's going on, but she's running. Sounds pretty good. Besides that misfire, sounds pretty good. Might be because I'm missing this this thing here. I don't even know what it's called on this side. That might be it. It's nice and tight. What a pain getting that on there. Sheesh. Once you get it on there, it's good, but when you first get started, just with your fingertips just twisting it in there, it takes a little bit of messing around with it for sure. Super smooth. Y'all know who built it. The exhaust isn't even that loud. This thing is responsive too. Watch. Legendary. This is a 96 Mustang GT, triple black. Needs some work. This is a stock exhaust, no mufflers, muffler delete on it. Just got the cats on. I'm surprised it's so quiet without the mufflers on, but I guess it's got 6 cats, that's why it's super quiet. That's how they are. I like how it sounds without mufflers though. It sounds really good. Show you guys. Sounds awesome without mufflers. It's not too loud. Sounds just right. Nice and deep. Man, I love how these modular engines sound, these 2-valve, they sound really good. Very unique sound, just like the 5.0 Fox bodies, they also have very unique sound. And pretty much every Mustang in general, it has really unique sound. The Hemi and the LS engines sound pretty similar. And then the Ford engine sound usually different. She's running super smooth. Some of y'all said it was gonna blow up. Look how she's running. Yeah, like I said, I really like the exhaust tone on this 2-valve, but they don't make a whole lot of power stock. They could be built to handle a lot of boost and a lot of power, but I don't know if it's worth it. LS would be a little more simple to work on and probably take the power better. Could handle more boosts just right off the bat. Stock.